Hi everyone! Today we are going to make a crochet Christmas hat. This pattern is very easy for beginners. You may get your own crochet kits in our store. Before starting this pattern, make sure you are clear about basic crochet skills by watching the beginner's tutorial videos. Links will be attached to the description of this video. Let's start with red color yarn. Firstly, make a magic ring. Insert the hook into the circle and pull out the yarn. Make a slip stitch before you start row 1. In row 1, make 6 single crochets in the magic ring. To make a single crochet, insert the crochet hook and pull out the yarn. Now, there are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops to complete a single crochet. Continue doing single crochet. Repeat 6 times. Row 1 is completed. Make a slip stitch in the beginning stitch. Remember to make a chain before you start a new row. In row 2, make 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 3 times. Firstly, make a single crochet as usual. To make a single crochet increase, make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. 1 and 2. Continue doing row 2 by repeating it 3 times. Row 2 is completed. In row 3, make X, V, X, and repeat 3 times. 1 single crochet. Two single crochet in same stitch. And 1 single crochet. Continue doing row 3. Row 3 is completed. In row 4, make 3 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and make 1 increase. Continue doing row 4. Row 4 is completed. In row 5, make 2 single crochet, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets. Repeat 3 times. Make 2 single crochet, one increase, Go back to single crochet. Continue doing row 5. Row 5 is completed. In row 6 to row 9, make 18 single crochets. Row 9 is completed. In row 10, use white color yarn and make 8 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 2 times. To change color, grab the white yarn when you make a chain before starting. Now, make single crochet as usual. I prefer to make 2 to 3 single crochets together with both color yarn and cut the short yarn after that. Make 1 single crochet as usual. Another single crochet. Make sure the beginning yarn is fixed inside the stitches. Cut off the remaining yarn. Continue doing single crochet. Make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. Row 10 is completed. In row 11 to row 15, make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. Total 20 crochet in each row. Row 15 is completed. Cut the yarn. Hide it properly. Turn over the hat brim. After that, make a small hairball. And tie it to the top of hat. Stick the snowflakes. Put on the keychain. It is all done. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.